Now I'm going to show you how to use this sharpening stone to sharpen a knife. This knife now it's sharp, so I will make it blunt. Now it's completely blunt. First, I use a 1000 grit sharpening stone. Yes, I feel the burr this side. Yeah, should be alright. Then test the knife. It's better, but still blunt. Now I will use this finishing stone to sharpen the knife. Mix slowly. Okay. Let's do a test. So this is a very good stone to be a finishing stone. It works very good, very well for kitchen knives, razors, chisels, and any blades.